Okay, so we have a couple of different answers to this question. Okay, so the first thing that which you alluded to is how's the equity market doing? Well, we suspected and hoped that crypto would become the new quarantine video game. Okay, that would bring people our way as a way of jumping onto the new system. However, in this upside down world, naturally, it turned out upside down. Then Robinhood and equities became
The
the
video
new
game.
video game. Okay. Because the Fed printed money and all the institutions sold. And then it became, 3 weeks of easy money for retail. Okay. So we all know how that's going to turn out, right? Everybody who's been in crypto, who was around in 2017, knows what happens when you chase low quality stuff. And we all know what we call low quality stuff in crypto. And it happened in equities. In this case, it was bankrupt equities. Now, what does this have to do with crypto? Okay. So, unfortunately, if you're looking at your screen and it's all red, all right, just know that that's probably because the equity market has to readjust its delusion of everything going back to normal just because the Fed hit the printing press button. Okay. Now, I'm sure I'll get to talk more about it later or not, but everything is not exactly rosy in America. And we're not exactly doing this social distancing like people are in the UK.
That's out the
Okay.
window.
Yeah, that's out the window. So, people may be selling crypto now because equities aren't open and it's the only thing available to sell. So that's why it may be red. Um, so if you want me to jump into crypto charts, I can, but I think it's important to say to yourself, okay, if everybody just made a mistake in stocks, that might create an opportunity in crypto. Like, I don't
Mhm.
know how big the crypto dip's going to be. There may be no crypto dip, especially, you know, in things like DeFi. There probably nothing goes straight up,
Yeah.
but there's probably an opportunity here in crypto. Okay. If crypto gets caught up in kind of an equities vortex.
Now, quick question for you. So, why are people buying bankrupt companies? I mean, so for example, Hertz plans to issue new shares, even though
Right.
they're going through bankruptcy,
Right.
because and they told the judge, or rather, they told the court that their price has gone up so much that they want to take advantage of this, even though these shares could possibly be worthless. So, I mean, why in the hell are people doing this? Is it just speculation, just gambling, essentially?
Yeah. I mean, it's just, if you don't have a job and you're home, right? I mean, we made kind of a joke out of this, right? Like that people would like start to get interested in crypto. Okay. But there was no FOMO in crypto to pull people in. Okay. Once you started to have like S&P related FOMO, and then it probably got around that, it was easy money to just buy a stock on leverage and watch it go up. People just downloaded this app and just got busy.
Yeah. Now, yeah, I mean, because people are getting free money from the government, they're quarantined at home. As you said, it's kind of becoming the new video game. And now, one question that does come up, or just more of a comment, Robinhood has crypto, right? So
Right.
maybe this can naturally segue into crypto, right? Maybe when equities kind of start going sideways, all these traders or gamblers can pivot over to crypto. What's your take on that?
Yeah. I mean, absolutely. This assumes that they don't get dismembered by the volatility in equities, right? I mean, it's really easy to open up a Robinhood
Yeah,
account and
right.
buy some low quality thing and watch it go up 200% if you're levered, right? Your brother does it, then you do it. That all works out really well until leverage goes the wrong way, right? So
Right.
people in Robinhood who are doing this, yeah, they're new to sitting at home looking at the screens, but they've got 3 days of equity market experience, and they haven't been wrecked. So if they've got any money left, yes, crypto is a possibility. But
Right.
I have a
Now,
feeling. Yeah.
now, so I've pulled up here the Robinhood site. So they sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, is it Dogecoin or Dogecoin? And then they say they claim some other cryptocurrencies as well. I'm not exactly sure what other cryptocurrencies are available on the platform, but I mean, it is pretty interesting to kind of just watch and see what happens. I'm not sure exactly how many coins they have available on their platform. Do you have any idea?
My understanding was that it was just really Bitcoin and Ethereum was where the liquidity was, and that's what I would stick with. I'm not intimately familiar with what Robinhood offers, but I know that the margin lending that they were doing in stocks was robust, right? So, people were able to get levered up in stocks and probably not levered up in crypto.
Yeah, I mean, well said, well said. Let's check in with the audience and see what they think. I wonder if any of them are trading on Robinhood. Okay. Hey, what's up, Diego? Great to have you here. Matt, what's up? Okay. Seems nobody at the moment. With that being said, let us know what you think. Do you think Robinhood is good for people to speculate and trade on, especially if they're retail traders, or do you think they're going to get wrecked, or do you think they're better off investing and trading in crypto? Let us know down in the comments below.